going to make honey lemon chicken. So let's begin. The ingredients are boneless chicken. This is corn flour. This is oil. This is salt. Then this is paste garlic. Then this is chopped garlic. Then we take honey. This is lemon, an egg, some roasted sesame, and this is black pepper. So to marinate this boneless chicken, I first take 1 spoon of salt, 2 spoons of corn flours, ginger garlic paste, and 1 spoon of black pepper. This all will be according to your taste. And an egg. I marinate this for 20 minutes. I put the oil. Oil has got heated up. Now at low flame I will fry the chicken. We will put some chicken, not all the chicken. We put the chicken in low flame so that inside of the chicken also get cooked. The chickens have been well cooked. Now I put the chickens on a plate. In the meantime, I prepared the lemon juice. The chickens have all got fried. Now in this hot oil, I put the chopped garlic. I will lightly fry it. In this I will put 1 cup of water. In this I put salt, black pepper and soy sauce. In this I put the fried chickens. Now I put the honey. The lemon juice. And this is a mixture of corn flour and water. My honey lemon chicken is ready. Now I put it in a plate. So friends, you saw that the recipe is so easy. To decorate the plate, I put some honey upon the chicken. Some sesame seeds. Some onions. And some lemons. friends, you too can try out this easy recipe. I am ending my video over here. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay happy.